Oh, it should be recorded. There we go.
Come on, Bubba.
Was it really good?
They just put Devin into the first.
Good job, buddy.
All right, Tanner.
It's got to be yours, buddy.
Head on it all the way.
Yeah, make sure he doesn't turn his head at him. Pull his head, I mean. Did he pull his head?
He's pretty good there.
I can't tell from this thing. Come on, Bubba.
Hey, Tanner, don't get caught outside, all right? You just track it.
Just watch it, baby.
Here comes a change up. Watch it. Hands back, bud.
That's too high.
All right, bud. Shake it, Tanner.